Hello student, I am your chemistry teacher Dr. Imtiaz Ali. Today we will discuss first chapter of chemistry class 10, chemical reaction and equations. The first topic is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is the process in which new substances with new properties are formed. As for example, when hydrogen burns in air or oxygen, it forms water. The properties of water is completely different from the property of hydrogen and oxygen. So this is a chemical reaction. Now, what are the signs of chemical reactions? There are main 5 signs of chemical reaction. First is evolution of gas. Some reactions are occurring with the evolution of gas, which indicate that the chemical reaction is occurring. Some reactions are occurring with the formation of precipitate. Precipitate means the insoluble solid substance. Next is change in temperature. Some reactions are occurring with change in color. Some reactions are occurring with the change in state. These 5 factors indicate that the chemical reactions are occurring. Means these factors are the sign of chemical reaction. Now, how chemical reaction can be represented? Chemical reaction can be represented with the help of chemical equation. Chemical equation is the representation of chemical reaction with the help of symbol and formula of substance. Is called chemical equation. In the chemical equation, arrow indicate the occurring of chemical reaction. And before arrow, we are writing the formula and symbol of the substance which are participating in chemical reaction. And these substances are called reactant. And on the right side of the arrow, we are writing the substances which are formed after the reaction. These substances are called products. If there is more than one reactants or more than one products, we should write plus sign in between the symbol and formula of reactants and products. Let us take an example. Burning of coal. When coal burns in air, it forms carbon dioxide. This is a chemical reaction. And how can we represent this chemical reaction with chemical equation? We should write the symbol of carbon. Carbon is represented with the symbol and formula of oxygen and formula of carbon dioxide. With the help of symbol and formula, we can represent the reaction burning of coal. So, the chemical equation is the representation of chemical reaction with the help of symbol and formulas. Now, balancing a chemical reaction. Balancing of chemical reaction is based on the law of conservation of mass, which is given by a famous scientist, Anthony Lawrence, who is considered as father of chemistry. According to this law, matter neither created nor destroyed during any chemical reaction. Means the mass of product is always equal to the mass of reactant. Let us take an example. Burning of hydrogen. When hydrogen burns in air, it forms water. equation, the molar mass of H2, as we know the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and there are 2 atoms, so 1 into 2, that is 2. Then gram molecular mass and molar or molar mass is 2 gram. In the same way, the molar mass of O2 molecule is 32 because atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 16 into 2, 32 gram. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. There are 2 atoms plus the atomic mass of oxygen is 60. So the molar mass of water is 18 gram. The molar mass of hydrogen is 2 gram, molar mass of oxygen is 32, molar mass of water is 18 gram. The total mass of reactant 2 gram plus 32 gram, that is 34 gram. And the mass of product is 80. These are not equal. As we have discussed, according to the law of conservation of mass, the mass of product should be equal to the mass of reactant. Here, the mass of product is not equal to the mass of reactant. Means this reaction is not balanced. It is called unbalanced chemical reaction. As you can see, the number of atoms in reactant and product side are also not equal. There is 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen equal, 2 oxygen but 1 oxygen in product side. Number of oxygen atoms are not equal in this reaction. So this reaction is called unbalanced chemical reaction. Now what is unbalanced chemical equation? How can we define unbalanced chemical equation? The chemical equation in which number of atoms in reactant and product side are not equal. Okay. Now the problem is, how can we balance the chemical reaction? To balance the chemical reaction, we should make up, or we should equate, we should make equal the number of atoms in reactant and product side. There is a simple basic rule. We can write a simple, a suitable smallest digit before the symbol chemical species. Means if we want to balance or we want to equate the number of oxygen atom in both sides, reactant and product side, we should write 2. 2 is the smallest digit for balancing this reaction before the formula of water. And this digit should be multiplied by each atoms present in the chemical species. 2, 1 check, 2. 2 oxygen. But hydrogen will become 2 to the 4. Here only 2 hydrogen is. So we should write 2 before H2. Now the molecular mass of hydrogen will become 4 gram. 4 gram plus 32, that is 36. And the molecular mass of water will become 36. Now the molecular mass of the mass of product is equal to the mass of reactant. So this is called balanced chemical equation. Okay. Now what is balanced chemical equation? The chemical equation in which number of atoms in reactant and product side are equal. How we can balance the chemical reaction? To write the smallest suitable digit before the chemical species, means on the left side of the chemical species, that is symbol and formula.